Prepare to venture into the fiery depths of the Nether, because today, we're unearthing the secrets to crafting Minecraft's ultimate material, Netherite. Our quest begins in the Nether, where you'll need to mine for a very specific or called ancient debris. This rare block only generates deep within the Nether, typically between levels 8 and 20. To the absolute best levels to search are between levels 15 and 20. You'll need a diamond pickaxe or better to break it, so make sure you're well equipped. Navigating the Nether can be dangerous, so prioritize safety. Build bridges over lava lakes, watch out for gusts and piglins, and always bring plenty of food and potions. Strip mining or creating a caving system at the optimal levels are effective strategies for finding ancient debris. Once you've gathered a good amount of ancient debris, head back to your base. Place the ancient debris into a furnace and smelt it. Each block of ancient debris will yield 1 netherite scrap. You'll need 4 netherite scraps for each ingot. Now for the final, crucial step: open your crafting table. You'll need 4 netherite scraps and 4 gold ingots. Combine these ingredients to create 1 netherite ingot. It really is that simple, turning your hard-won scraps and precious gold into the strongest armor and tools in Minecraft. Now, go forth and forge your legend with netherite.